Hi everyone, welcome and welcome back to my channel. This is oh my god, this is so embarrassing. I came in the park to shoot this thing because I am living घर से थोड़ा दूर and there was no place to shoot somewhere, so I was like, okay, I'll go in park, I'll shoot and what time हो गया? Let's upload the video. If you've just completed your 12th or ever thought that you want to become a pilot someday, this video is for you because most people only see pilots ki uniform, the luxury life, sitting in the cockpit, traveling different cities, countries, and everything, and they're like, I want to get into this field, but no one actually knows. Like most of the people not actually know okay you have to clear a lot of exams before getting to fly an actual aircraft. In fact, by end of this video, you'll be knowing what exactly are the subjects that you have to study before actually flying the aircraft. So let's get into the video straight. So when I first decided to become a pilot, I was like the main challenge is to fly the aircraft. जहाज उड़ाना is like the most important thing. Take off, landing, सब कुछ कैसे होगा? But wait, before that thing, there's one more important cheese, the main cheese, and the huge part of aviation is actually learning the aviation, the concepts, the ground subjects, the knowledge you have to gain is everything. Sometimes I feel like flying an aircraft is much easier than actually learning the things about it because obviously you have to know, like, just suppose a doctor is performing some surgery without his knowledge. I mean, you'll even rely on that doctor? No. Engineer without its engineering? No, you can't, because that's how the system works. That you should know all the ground subjects. You should know there are various type of ground subjects. Let's talk about four major DGC subjects, that are aviation, metrology, air regulations, and air navigation and technical general. These four are the main subjects. We'll know about each subject in detail. So first is meteorology. What exactly is meteorology? It's a study about the weather. So when people hear the term for the first time, they are like studying about the sunshine, studying about sun, moon, and everything, like rain, checking the weather on the app, temperatures, and everything. But this is not how it works. For pilots, weather is something like more serious, more concerning. Weather can actually decide whether a flight operation have to be performed या फिर flight cancel होने वाली है. As a pilot, you guys actually need to understand how clouds are forming, how अगर ये वाली फॉग फॉर्मेशन हो रही है तो किस वजह से हो रही है, क्यों हो रही है, व्हाट आर द कंडीशंस, और किस टाइम पे होनी चाहिए, किस टाइम पे डिसिपेट होएगी. यू शुड नो, thunderstorm, turbulence, how winds are affecting our flight, time consuming कम कर रहा है, time ज़्यादा कर रहा है, हमारे flight time, it depends on everything. And what actually happens when there is icing on the aircraft. So like meteorology is much different for the pilots and for the first time if someone is hearing it for the first time. So it is study about everything, every atmosphere, every weather condition, humidity, temperature, density, how it actually affects our aircraft performance. बारिश होती है तो कैसे it affects our icing, कैसे होनी चाहिए, thunderstorm, cyclones कैसे form होते हैं, everything you have to study in meteorology. It's a very interesting subject, it's a very concerning subject, so you should know how to manage the aircraft operations according to the weather conditions. So it's a very important subject, very interesting subject, and you'll actually enjoy learning the subject. Initially I thought it was the easiest subject because it's all about the weather and thodi bahut cheeze idhar udhar. But once I actually started learning about the thunderstorm, learn about the fronts and icing, weather condition, accretion, there was much more depth to it. So it is very important, concerning, and good subject, because I think you start, once you learn about the things, you start looking at clouds differently. You look at the cloud and you'll be like, मुझे पता है कौन से टाइप का क्लाउड है. देयर आर थ्री टाइप्स ऑफ क्लाउड: हाई क्लाउड्स, मीडियम क्लाउड्स, लो क्लाउड्स. उसमें भी cirrus cloud, it all up on the appearance. Like you'll see the appearance of the cloud and you'll be like, मेरे को पता है कौन से टाइप का क्लाउड है. And that is very interesting, isn't it? That is actually interesting. And I think the weather actually becomes interesting once you start learning into it. Second subject, if I talk about, is air navigation. Air navigation is often considered most challenging subjects for few people. Like they think navigation is more tough, and it's actually tough if we compare it to other subjects. Navigation is something like finding your way from one place to another, navigating something, think about it like driving an गाड़ी कोई तुम गाड़ी ड्राइव कर रहे हो फ्रॉम दिल्ली टू जयपुर you have roads, traffic signals, directions, सब कुछ है. But when you're flying at thousand of feet in the air, you have nothing. You have no roads, you have no traffic signals, you have nothing. But still, you have to navigate yourself, your aircraft, very carefully, very properly. So that's navigation. You plan your flight. You plan how you're gonna go from one place to that another place. It's when air navigation actually comes into the picture, and in this subject, you'll learn about the charts, map, latitude, longitude, flight planning कैसे होती है, then radio navigation. There are three parts in the navigation basically. First is general navigation, radio navigation, and instruments. General navigation में you'll be learning about again all these charts, latitudes, longitudes, about the earth, और कौन सी स्फीयर मतलब कैसे कैसे सब होता है अकॉर्डिंग टू द अर्थ के उसमें, ठीक है, द ग्रेटिट्यूड्स लॉन्गिट्यूड्स ये सब. And then there is the subject radio navigation. Radio navigation talk about the navets. Navets are the GPS navigation and everything. A lot of navets are there. VOR NDB runway पे कौन सा navet लगा होता है, ILS, how the that a lot of things, heading, track, wind correction, fuel planning, everything is in this radio nav. Like you will study about the navets, radio navigation instruments, and then it includes the instruments, all the instruments that are in your, radio instruments. Then जो इंस्ट्रूमेंट जीपीएस एंड एवरीथिंग जो तुम्हारे एयरक्राफ्ट में लगे होते हैं, यू लर्न अबाउट ऑल ऑफ देम एंड इट्स वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग बिकॉज you'll understand the logic behind how the instruments are working. And navigation seems tough to students, but it's actually very interesting, very, the favorite subject. It's all about calculations as well. CX3 use hota hai, calculator use hota hai, a lot of things. Navigation is difficult because don't think navigation as a difficult subject. It's not impossible. It's difficult because it's new to you. Once you start learning about the concepts, once you start learning how instruments work, radio navigation, and about that general navigation, it'll be very easy for you. It becomes easy once you understand it. So it's a very interesting subject. Then we talk about the air regulations. Air regulations is all about the rules and regulations that you have to follow while flying that aircraft. I think if navigation teaches you where to go, regulation teaches you if you're allowed to go or not. Like I usually explain air navigation as the traffic rules that are by the DGCA, by the aviation community. Every country has their own rule for aviation, and I think pilots must know these rules because aviation is all about rules and regulations and the most regulated industry in the world. In air regulations, you'll study about the license requirement, airspace classification, rules of the air, pilot responsibility, operational procedures, aircraft documents, SOPs, and many other important topics. Some students think regulation is a subject where you just have to memorize answer, but that's not true. Memorization involved for sure, but when you actually I think when you actually understand why this rule was made, क्यों बना था, एंड हाउ इट इज एक्चुअली, क्यों हम पे कॉम्प्लिकेशंस लगाई गई हैं बिकॉज ऑफ दिस रूल, इतना क्यों होना चाहिए. वी टॉक अबाउट दिस स्टैंडर्ड प्रोसीजर्स, वी टॉक अबाउट दिस FDTL एंड एवरीथिंग. तो हमें जब एक्चुअल में पता चलेगा अच्छा ये इस साइकिल को लेकर फॉलो हुआ तो इट विल बी वेरी इजी फॉर अस टू अंडरस्टैंड, है ना. Because I think every regulation exists for a reason, and that reason is safety of the passenger, safety of the crew, safety of everyone in that particular aircraft operation. Now let's move on to our fourth subject, that is technical general. I think this subject is very technical and most concerning subject. In this subject, you'll learn about how an aircraft actually flies. Most people just see the aircraft and think it's just a machine and it somehow flies, but behind every flight there are hundred of systems working together. And in technical general, you'll understand about systems, engines, जो तुम्हारे aircraft में engines लगे हैं, about the systems that are working on your aircraft, hydraulic systems, electrical systems, flight controls, landing gear, aircraft instruments, pressure systems, and much more. There's everything you have to study: systems, this engines, what is how the aircraft is actually flying, what forces are acting on it, lift, drag, weight, sab kuch. You learn in this subject about sab kuch. Like what is actually happening inside that aircraft, how is actually aircraft flying, सब कुछ लाइक कैसे फोर्स प्रोड्यूस हो रहा है, कैसे इंजन मूव कर रहे हैं, सिस्टम कौन सा हो रहा है, हाइड्रोलिक सिस्टम से कौन सा डिवाइस, कैसे हम हल्की सी ब्रेक दबाते तो इतना बड़ा, इतने टन्स ऑफ एयरक्राफ्ट कैसे रुक जाता है, और इट इज ऑल बिकॉज ऑफ द हाइड्रोलिक सिस्टम. We will understand about everything in tech. It's like it's more of like boys को ज़्यादा interest आएगा because it's all about engines, but girls बीच मत रहना. But yes, it's all about engines and it's all about the tech gen. That is tech gen basically. And I guess this subject is extremely, extremely important because if something abnormal happens in your aircraft, a pilot needs to understand the system before making the actual decision. And I personally find the tech gen fascinating, though tough, because it's all about the science and reasoning behind everything that is working in the whole system. And you stop looking at that aircraft like a vehicle and you start understanding how every component is there to keep that s- single piece of aircraft in the air. So you know, it's very interesting, it's very fascinating. And every subject, I think every subject is very interesting. मजा आता है पढ़ने में. And like now let's talk about the common myths about all this. One myth is pilots only need flying skills. False. Again, I'm telling you, it's false. They just don't need flying skills, they need everything to gain knowledge. It's very important. One second, my mic is falling, my phone is falling. Wait, they need everything. It's very important to understand the concepts, understand the subject, sub kuch papers. It's just not give your DGC exam just for like clearing it. Understand the concepts very carefully. Maza aega padhne mein. Just get through it. I think flying is just a part of the job, and knowledge is everything that will get you into the airlines. That will, even when you become the flight instructor after you're flying, knowledge is important. It's everywhere. It's everywhere. It's really important. And I think you need dedication, consistency, and willingness to learn everything. And like thousands of students from different backgrounds become successfully like the pilots every year. Like they get their CPL every year. And like what many students do is they only focus on the flying hours and skip their ground studies. Not good. Just go with it. Learn everything. जहाज उड़ाओ और मजा आएगा. यू जब इंस्ट्रूमेंट फ्लाइंग करोगे तुम एक्चुअल एयरक्राफ्ट में सारी ग्राउंड नॉलेज काम आएगी सब कुछ. सो अंडरस्टैंड द कॉन्सेप्ट, चीज़ें पढ़ो, मजा आएगा. गेन द नॉलेज, गो फ्लाई द एयरक्राफ्ट. एवरीथिंग विल रिमेन सॉर्टेड. लगेगा कितना जलब हो रही है चीज़ें. एवरीथिंग विल रिमेन अच्छा लगेगा उड़ा के भी. And the one question I get every time are DGC exams tough? No, they are not tough. They are not tough if you study them properly. They are not tough. निकाल लोगे. बच्चे निकालते हैं एक बारी में. मैंने निकाला हर सब्जेक्ट एक बारी में. बहुत ईजी होता है. बस जस्ट स्टडी देम केयरफुली. जो चीज़ पढ़ रहे हो रिवाइज इट रेगुलरली एंड you'll ace it. They are difficult if you try memorizing it. But like they become much easier once you focus on the concept and the clarity in your own mind, because your competition is with yourself. तुम्हें पायलट बनना है, तुम्हें किसी और से compete नहीं करना. वहाँ पे जाके competition में नहीं है तुम और वो लोग. अभी यू हैव टू बिकम पायलट. यू हैव टू. ऐसा नहीं कि तुम्हारे अगर 74 आ रहे हैं तो उसके अगर 8 मार्क्स कम आ रहे हैं तो यू आर इन द कॉम्पिटिशन. मतलब जेई नीट नहीं है ये. इट्स जस्ट तुम अपना पढ़ के अच्छा स्कोर करो, वो बंदा पढ़ के अपना अच्छा स्कोर करेगा. दिस इज जस्ट यू हैव टू बिकम पायलट. दैट जब वो एयरलाइन में होगा तब compete करना है यार. Thousands of students clear the exam every year. The difference is not preparation. The difference is not the actual intelligence, it's the preparation. That's what. And another question I get in my DMs is every time like, which subject should we start first? My personal recommendation would be start with metrology, I guess. Personal recommendation again, not like a general thing or something. Met से start करो, regs पढ़ो साथ साथ. It's a very updated subject, तुम्हें पढ़ना पड़ेगा. Then study navigation, tech gen, सब कुछ go through with every subject, but metrics से start कर सकते हो. And if you're guys watching this and feeling like what to do, don't worry. I would say don't worry. Every pilot was just a beginner. जिसको तुम आज फ्लाई करते देख रहे हो, he or she was also a student someday, जिसका बैकग्राउंड कुछ नहीं था, उसने जीरो से स्टार्ट किया एंड स्टिल अ पायलट आज के दिन में. Also if one second, also if you guys are confused or you want to, me and my team also are starting a ground classes, online ground classes, and we'll be very happy to teach you guys. If you want to be a part, we'll be conducting the demo session soon, and if you want to be a part, you can join our sessions and just see how we teach, and just we can go forward and like feel free to reach us out. Okay. And if I have to conclude this video, I would definitely say that becoming a pilot is not just about flying an aircraft, it's about understanding the weather regulations and the navigation part, everything, every subject. The more knowledge you gain on the ground, the better pilot you'll become. Just remember this every time. I hope this video gave you a clear picture of what pilot ground training actually looks like. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.